Today, Sam is gonna be dating 10 women without ever seeing them to fall in love.
For now, I want you to pick 8 out of the 9 moms that are behind you.
Today, Sam will date the moms to get to know their daughters better. See, dating has become superficial.
I can't do this, I can't.
We're taking looks out of the equation and helping Sam find his true love without ever seeing her. Sam, you have 1 rose and 2 moms left. Pick wisely.
It's good seeing you guys. This one's for you. All right, Sam, I just set up 8 dates with the moms you just picked so you can get to know their daughters.
This guitar player right now. Hey, Sarah, would you play us some Spanish on Goonies? Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Oh, so I have a question for you.
You do?
Yeah. Would I be a type of guy that your daughter would date?
I think yes.
You think so?
Yeah, you have a lot of good qualities.
So, do you know how many boyfriends has she had?
I have no clue.
You have no clue?
I'm not even sure specifically. I have no clue.
What type of guy do you think you see your daughter dating?
Right now, I think they're not bad guys, but I think they're guys that just want to have fun.
Now let me ask you this: How do you feel as a mother of your daughter having sex?
Well, I think it's up to her.
We need the will of God.
Okay.
She knows the world.
I've had enough.
How are you holding up over there, Monica?
I can't think of a better way to spend a Friday afternoon.
Would this be something that you would approve if I take your daughter?
And take me too.
Has your daughter ever cheated before?
No, not to my knowledge.
You are charming, sweet, gentleman, and I love that you set this up. That's very impressive.
All right, Sam, you gotta make a choice. You've dated 7 of the 8 moms. You can either go on the last date with the last mom or forfeit that to see a body part of their daughters.
Hold up.
Make a choice.
A body part?
Body part.
Does that mean I get to see feet?
All right, Sam, you got what you wanted, you dog. Now you gotta eliminate 1.
Girl in the bar left, my left, so sorry.
All right, girls, you have every ingredient you need right in front of you to cook Sam's favorite meal. You got 30 minutes.
These are the 6 remaining girls out of the 10 Sam has been dating. He's about to eliminate 1 of them based on how they cook.
These aren't my onions. I bought specific onions for this recipe.
All right, girls, you got 5 minutes remaining.
All right, Sam, girl 1. Okay, I could use a little more salt.
Girl number 2.
Oh man, I don't even know what to say about this. It's actually not bad at all. I like that, I'm a sucker for cheese. I think this is pretty good.
Girl 4.
Okay, pink sauce takes me back to how my mom used to make pasta. Not as good as mom makes it, but I'll take it.
Girl 5.
Oh man, what is this?
All right, last girl, number 6.
Look at that pepper. She really tried.
All right, Sam, 6 girls cooked you a meal. You have to eliminate 1 of them based on what you just ate.
Well, this is easy. You did not see that?
All right, Sam, you're gonna get to have a sleepover with the best friends of the remaining candidates.
Now, you can ask the girls whatever you'd like, but they only have to answer
If you beat them at a few games I have planned for you.
If you lose, you gotta pay the girls $100 each.
You both are blindfolded on each corner of the room.
The first one to get a clean pillow hit wins.
Did I get her? She got me?
Well, I hope you're excited to Venmo me $100, and I will be checking.
The first one to score a ping pong ball in the red Solo Cup wins.
You're not ready for this smoke.
Oh.
You're not ready.
Bring it on. Let's do this.
Okay, here we go.
As soon as you said that.
What's her body count?
Her body count?
Yeah. No, I'm just gonna get right at it.
I know, but it's probably around 40 or 50. Oh, come on. Do not look so surprised.
You're joking.
Okay, the first person to flip all 3 red cups upwards wins.
Come on!
The first one to finish this bottle of water in front of you wins.
You guys are gonna hate me, but I have to ask this question. Is she bigger than me? I have to know.
You're gonna hate me for this?
I can't see her.
No, not at all.
Okay.
All right, next one's the balloon duel.
So, has your best friend ever cheated before or been cheated on?
No, never.
Okay, that's cool. You think she's loyal?
Yes.
Now, you can tell a lot about somebody based on their room. Sam right now will go through the rooms of the 4 remaining girls and eliminate one based on the room he doesn't like.
Okay, this is my room, guys.
Oh wow. Yo, this gotta be the highlight of the room right here. She plays the guitar? Because I play the guitar myself, right?
Yeah, I'm still learning, still practicing, but I do want to like continue. Oh my god, it would be so cool to have a band.
Okay, this one is more simple. I like a simple girl. Very minimalistic. Plants, folded clothes.
It's a little too clean.
Very organized.
Everything has its place and everything is in its place.
Oh, whoa. I mean, no judgment.
It's like what they say, you know, the creative types, they aren't very clean.
But judgment, yo, this is crazy. I can't.
We can go next to the next room at any point.
Okay.
Oh my god, guys, look, this is my room. Isn't it so cute?
This is nice. She got books. She reads. Anime. That's sick.
Do you think he likes anime? I don't know, his face isn't really giving it.
That's sick. Not really my thing, but I respect that.
So far, Sam has dated their mom, had a sleepover with their friends, tried their food, and even checked out their room. He hasn't yet seen or talked to any of the girls. Now we're gonna change that.
Sam, you get to talk to the 3 remaining girls.
How long have you been in New York?
About 3 years now. I love it. I'm like where I need to be right now, so.
What do you do for fun?
I like to hang out with my girlfriends. I like to dance.
It's so cool. I am like the stiffest guy you can ever meet.
So do you like it?
I love it personally. If I could stay here for the rest of my life, I would.
I would not.
Would you say you're a family-oriented person?
Yes and no. I definitely appreciate the time with my family, but I also love me time, like space.
So what does your perfect weekend look like?
A night in, movies, food, can't complain.
What do you think, what is like your pet peeve?
I would say that something I didn't like about my ex was that he was always late to everything. Oh, that's so bad, I brought up my ex.
So let's just say like you just had the worst day of your life. What do you do to de-stress from it?
I'll be spending time with my dog.
Alright, so Sam, there's 3 girls left in this competition, but you still have to eliminate one. Which one will it be?
Well, to be honest with you, man, I had really great conversations with all 3 of them, so it's actually a tough decision here. So I think I vibe more with number 1 and 3. That means I have to eliminate number 2.
All right, Sam, you're down to 2 girls, and I'm not gonna help you find the love of your life. That Uber driver will help you find the love of your life. Yo, I already called it for you. Go, 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 go. Just hop in, just hop in.
So right now, our Uber driver will be asking Sam a series of questions. Depending on how he responds, will dictate whether our driver takes him to girl A or girl B.
You mind if the girl has a lot of guy friends?
Nah, I don't think I mind that at all. Good for her.
All right. Do you care if the girl is taller than you?
Oh yeah, on that one, I feel like I would love a girl that is shorter than me. God, David, you gotta get me there safe, right?
I got you, bro. No worries. Long live Short Kings.
I'm about to see the girl of my dreams, am I right?
Whoa! Do you prefer a girl that stays in or parties all the time?
I definitely prefer a girl that stays in, because why would she be partying every freaking night if she got me?
Drinker or non-drinker?
I could go with the drinker. Nothing wrong with drinking. How many more questions are there?
All right, my guy. We here, bro. We made it. You got this, bro.
Do I?
Yeah. You got this, my guy. You got this.
Appreciate the pep talk. So nervous. Hey.
Hi.
How's it going? Okay. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm great. I'm Sam.
I'm Tracy.
Yeah, you are prettier than I expected.
Final verdict. After all this time, would you like to date Tracy?
100%.
Tracy, would you like to date Sam?
Yes.
You want to go get ramen or something?
Oh, yes, please.
Jose, I think you've done enough. You've done enough, man.